Once again, here in the final round of racing with the best racing record here in the series, give it up for John Zimmer Jr.